We've been talking about this a lot lately. COVID hospitalization numbers are up, mirroring surges we've seen before. But this holiday season, it is not just COVID we have to worry about. There's also RSV and the flu. So before you hit the road or take to the skies this holiday season, doctors are urging you to add a layer of protection. Here's NBC Bay Area's Alyssa Gord.
As many take off to see loved ones, an infection of COVID-19, RSV, or the flu has the potential to turn their holiday season upside down. And just this week, 11 Bay Area County health officials sounded the alarm that the continued spread of these three illnesses is putting a strain on the entire healthcare system.
I'm quite concerned about it.
California's latest data indicates a slight decline in the flu, and the state's RSV infection showing a dip since October and November. Meanwhile, COVID hospitalizations still on the rise. In Alameda County, more than 160 people were hospitalized with COVID this week, slightly higher than what we saw during our summer surge. It's a similar story in San Francisco.
But I would definitely say that the numbers are going up.
Dr. Abrar Karan, who researches infectious disease at Stanford, says because we're still in the middle of the holidays, it's tough to say how long this COVID surge will last.
And, yes, RSV is coming down, flu is coming down, but you can still get infected, and so lowering your risk where you can just makes sense.
Karan recommends good air filtration and high-quality masks this holiday season to protect against all three illnesses. Plus, he says even taking some precautions is better than taking none at all.
Reducing risk is not an all-or-nothing activity. If you can't wear a mask at all times, if you're doing activities where you're not wearing a mask, that's okay. You should still wear a mask where you can.
At San Francisco International Airport, some travelers are feeling comfortable flying mask-free and feeling optimistic.
Well, last year was kind of worse.
Carolyn Green and her family eagerly wore masks to fly because their Thanksgiving plans were dashed.
Well, because we had to cancel Thanksgiving because we got COVID, so none of our family could come up. So we don't want to cancel Christmas.
In San Francisco, Alyssa Gord, NBC, Bay Area News.